Come boss. Yo, chief. Yo. I know your name, no one. No one, I know your name, sir. One vlog, live on the road today. I run like an errand for my mother, so I'm bringing you with me. It's not gonna be much. And I think he shouldn't even take like 5 minutes to do all of this. But then again, this is Jamaica, and sometimes the simplest of processes require a lot of unnecessary back and forth. So let us see. I'll grab a taxi and go in our town. And I was supposed to go Ministry of Labor as well, or the NIS office, one of them. Kinda hungry. I figure what I get. I'm at the road. KFC have a new sandwich, so I think that might be the highlight of this vlog. But we'll try it. It's supposed to be a rival for the Popeyes sandwich where they come out, but KFC kind of late still, you know, me G. But I'm going to give it a try. I think that's what I'm going to do. Two things I know for sure, man. I miss my car, one, and then you can know in school youth that they're about, isn't it? Taxi thing is scarce. You know how long it took me to get a taxi a while ago? Jeez, man. Schoolers, them, I want to save the taxi man, them, that's why they have to rate to, you know. I have enough schoolers not there on the road, way. So all them taxi like mash up. Yeah, wait, you know. I got what I needed to get done. Take a shorter time than I estimated. It could have been a shorter process, but still to get sorted out, so give thanks. No, Baba. Something what I notice is that, you know, people who are lesser fortunate in terms of like economics circumstances, they be f***ing. The reason I say that is because I see a lady a while ago, right? She come out of the place for I say if you get like path or make some path inquiries, you know, the program will help people when I really have it like that. And she have a young child, probably less than like 6. She have another young one, maybe like 2, 3, and then there's a younger one, maybe like 1.5. And I'm like, bruh, you don't have it like that. But you f***ing know. It's clear that you don't have it like that, you know. And you're just out here produce more babies, bring them into the poverty that already exists. And I know it's probably not their fault, but family planning is important. Let me just say that. The thing else I'm going to say too is the library. It surprised me that they're still open, but at the same time, information have still about, right? In a tangible form. Can't really trust the internet. When I walk in high school, we have to go to the library. We do a lot of research when it comes to doing the SBA them and them project and them things. So we got the library for that. I see a lot of youths use it up because I guess the internet is there, but at the same time, the library is important. So big up all the library people, you know.
Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you the water boot 4s. Jay, I don't know boy.
Cut off water boot and spanky pants. Jamaica is a different place, brother. I see the cheese bottom, but the thing say I forget Clarks, you know. And I say, yo, Clarks make a water boot looking show. Let me check it out, a real water boot, brother. Alright, so this is what I could try. Kentucky chicken sandwich. Let's see. Boss said they're not open it. They say one thing with Jamaican people, they open on time and also close on time. Sometime, when it's convenient to them. So I have to go wait. At 9:51, I have to wait 9 more minutes because at 10 o'clock them up. See, KFC, they know say you're addicted, you know. They know. Like caffeine, the craving you, boy, may I tell you. It's funny how within the word caffeine, they have the word fiend. And caffeine is addicted. And a fiend is someone who, I think is addicted to something. So, KFC is a fiend who is, I don't know.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Alright, see, so first them say at 10 o'clock them open. Now at 10 o'clock, when you go there for go inside, you must say them not have nothing ready. Tell me how that makes sense. If you're preparing a product, why you not start preparing before the opening time and not at the opening time? Tell me how that makes sense. KFC, already you know look good for you in a sandwich, you know. I'm here to try it, and this is what I have to go through. Cooking for start before the place open, so that when at opening time, you have things ready.
Alright, give me what you have. Because the yourself out. That's swear. I'm tired. I want to sleep.
Good morning. Can I have one of the Kentucky chicken sandwiches? So apparently they do have food, but then at security I said there's nothing.
No
Really,
sandwich.
actually, them have spicy chicken, but at the same time, you know, everything for ready before customers come. Alright, you know, so the sandwich I get knocked today because I'm not gonna wait. Apparently the sandwich is not ready, and then knocks are how long? Not for right now. So I'm out of here. I'm out of here, bro. I'm out of here.
Something alright, yeah.
Yo, boss. Yo, chief. Yo. I know your name, no one. No one, I know your name, sir. Yeah, no one. I know you. Okay. I know you. No, it's a brother. I look for him, no one, isn't it? Oh, alright.
This episode of Fucking with People was brought to you by Ambiguous Signs. How was this sign ambiguous, you say? It has two meanings. One could be interpreted as no one, in the original meaning nobody, is not allowed to sit on the steps. Hence, the steps should be empty. Or, no one, a person by the name of no one, is only allowed to sit on those steps. Hence, me asking the brother if I him name no one.
Can I get a what? Wow.
Okay, comedy always want if that place exists, you know. So this is if your wife nah give you no loving or your husband nah give you no loving, you can report them as a sex offender. You understand? Because they are being offensive by withholding the sex. So you can come report them yes or no, so that the rest of the world know. So that mean not true? Alright. Ambiguous signs. Regular people put rain guard on them vehicle. As you can see, the boss go on in. Fim window them now fi go up, none at all. Him window them can stay all the way down and no rain no go in a car with them the sides on in there. My boss, how you prepare for a category 4 hurricane for blow up your vehicle every time like a rain drizzle? Eh? Why you have to go on in, my general?
Get out of here.
It has been almost like an hour. Let me see, the time is 10:58. So I'm going to go back to KFC now and see if the sandwich is there. I know me did it, but I did end up move round and time passed by, so I said, alright, let me try again. Or second time around. Hello, I'm here for the chicken sandwich. Chicken
Check one here.
Huh?
You just have a start.
It's okay, I will.
Deluxe or the case okay?
The 9.95.
Huh?
9.95?
Then?
The 9.95 one.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to figure out if they have it or not. Cause one I say no order it yet and one say me order it already, so. Is this the struggle I have to go through just to get one of your new sandwich from KFC? Come on, bro. Come on, man. I wish more women did tattoo the type of woman they dip on their back, you know? So you know if them are crosses or not. Woman says she already die chicken, she tattoo it on her back so she advertise and make you know, you know? Very interesting. Wonder what some of the tattoo would have been. Crosses. After almost 1 hour and 30 plus minutes, we finally get the sandwich. I head on home now.
Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, the sandwich that we had to wait 1 hour and 30 plus minutes for, we should have possibly just take 8 minutes to make. But KFC never have no food ready when time the restaurant fit open. And when we go in there, they say they don't know. Stress. Of course, we got the fries that I am not the biggest fan of. Soggy. So I look at bag where you get in and anything there, isn't it? Because you know it is special. The kernel face pan and all them things, you know. What does it entail? Man, it's flat out and all them things. So you got the sandwich, but I expect to see some more mayo. A drizzly mayo. Somebody turn for around the back and go and splash a mayo bottle. But that's in a mayo. I have pickle and the chicken that is triple breaded. and a brioche soft bun. Boy, it may look scarce, may look like it did that done. But I give that a try. First thing first, I don't like somebody that for wait so long. See? Because a sandwich like this should have take 8 minutes. And that are just because you have to fry the chicken. And them say them triple bready, really and truly 6 minutes could have do it. But through your triple bready, alright, cool. Me say 8 minutes. I may have to wait 1 hour and 30 minutes for it. But make we go in and take a bite there now. I don't like the meat look. It's a lot of meat. See it a spill over on the side. The buns half and them thing there. Yeah. It's just that the mayo, man. I show you on the side there. Mayo scarce. Think of more mayo. But make we see what I go on now. I don't know if I the container or maybe because I may alone order one, but it's still hot. Flavor wise, I get the pickle. More mayo should have dip on it, that's all I have to say. Because you see mayo with a sandwich like this really sell it. The spices, zinger vibe, and then mayo. That's why zinger so bad. Enough mayo upon the zinger, you will never know that. And mayo. And definitely triple breaded. Nice and flavorful, and it's a crunch. Funny thing is, I haven't had the Popeyes one, so really and truly there's nothing for me to compare it to. So the next time I try, I'm gonna try the Popeyes one, and then possibly try the two of them and see who better. But for now, I like this KFC one, except for the fact that it's not a lot of mayo. As you can see, the bun well soft, man, like, you know, and there's a lot of meat. Can't complain about that. I'm zooming in a little bit so let's see what I go on. Can't complain about the meat. A whole heap of meat. Meat just a spill over all but. It's salt. Maybe a little bit too salty. But you know, I think the mayo would have probably combat the saltness if more mayo did in there. Now really and truly, BK, KFC, I am not getting a taste of the premium mayo when I sip on the sitting. I get the pickle, the extra triple breaded chicken, yeah. The brioche bun, of course, nice and soft. But the mayo be lacking. But the sandwich I post and I say mayo on the top, I don't see no here, so no. The mayo is lacking. And for that, I'm going to give you a score. If it's out of 5, with 5 being the best, I'm going to 3.5 on the ramp with the mayo. That meat be meating. Eat to a wheat fries. KFC. It's like on a triple bread and a chicken, on a need for double fry on the fries. Look, no. Gog. Look here. And I'm going to say this from experience. Fries of these size, on a need for double fry them. Listen to me, KFC. Double fry on the fries. On a can't lose. Just listen to me, please. On did have some nice slim fries one time that were the best fries in Jamaica. Me don't know who for idea it was to switch over. But you see them here sitting here, and it look how the fries are droop. What kind of fries am I talking about? I mean, they're not gonna know how I feel about fries already, but still, the burger. People, you know what funny? I made my own version of this, you know, because I never knew if I would have go on the road to go try this, and I don't know if it would have gone by the time I reached there. Seeing that I wait for my car to come back, but I end go on the road. I'm gonna show you my version of this in our next video. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. KFC, big up on yourself, but I thought from now my version better. If the colonel have a problem, tell him to pull up on me. Yo. If the colonel got a problem, tell him to pull up on me, son. Just by looking. How much you know would I rate it? Just by looking, and you know, maybe go back to your front time video. How much you know would I rate it? Remember on the score. I want to show you my version of this. On the rate mine, and you see me? I will say who win. Alright, no more than weak fries today. Weak! And you never lie about the triple breading. There's another version of this that they have with like lettuce, tomato, and cheese. But that's basically the zinger. It's just that it's not spicy. I don't know if that one I did was spicy, but I'm not really getting no spice. But yeah, people, that is it for the vlog. Join me on the next vlog when we make my version of this. Take a slap. We're done talk.